And then you're ready to shade the lips. Here's the shading with the form trick. When you are shading lips, here mine, lovely, lovely lips. You want to shade with the form. So it helps when you look in the mirror, you know how you have like those wrinkles or those cracks in your lips, the lines in your lips? You want to use that as a guide point. Look at them and then draw them the way you see them. You don't have to do every single one, but when you start to do that, everything starts to look more natural and 3D when you start to bend the lines as you shade. See how it starts to come together? Same thing with the top. Look at those bends, and things will start to look much more 3D when you bend your lines as you shade, as opposed to, see how that looks much more 3D? So bend the lines when you shade. Also, if you look here, that is a line, but that line, like for example for Jen, it is darker on this edge. So make the line darker where you see it, thicker, thinner, where it fades, disappears. It makes it 3D without really having to put a lot of work in there.